Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off mobile hotspot and tethering. First you go to the settings, after that to connections, and here you can see mobile hotspot and tethering option. You have to click on that, and here the first option is mobile hotspot. You have to turn that off or on, and if you turn that on, the to use mobile hotspot Wi-Fi needs to be turned off, so you have to click on turn off, and now you can see that the mobile hotspot is turned on. And the Bluetooth tethering, which means that to share your phone's internet connection using Bluetooth. And it says now that ready to share this phone's internet connection. And here you see two other options which is not available for me: the USB tethering and Ethernet tethering. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.